Well, Italian has always been one of my favorite cuisines right since I was a little kid, hogging onto all the mac and cheese. And today on this episode of CT's Best, we are taking you through some of the top 5 fine-dine Italian restaurants in Mumbai. Now my mouth is already watering, so let's get going.
Creamy sauce, butter tossed pastas, and mouth-watering cheesy pizzas. Italian is one global cuisine that Indians cherish the most. But we bet there are a lot of authentic dishes that you might not have heard of. So keep watching. And the first place on our list is Chinchin in BKC.
If you thought pasta just included a penne or macaroni, then Chinchin is a haven for all the Italian lovers, most importantly the pasta lovers, because they've got a variety of pastas and authentic flavors that you're sure to find in Italy. Well, that's exactly what fine dine Italian is all about, right? Let's dig in.
Starting with straponi, which is a unique thin flat pasta almost like a handkerchief. It comes with a butter sauce and is topped with bell pepper cannoli cheese. The next one is the spaghetti cacio e pepe pasta, which is inspired from the city of Rome and is tossed with butter, freshly crushed black pepper and cheese. We also tried the tortellini, which is a ring-shaped pasta, and this one is stuffed with minced chicken and is served with a clear chicken broth. And while you're here, don't miss out the variety of pizzas they've got. We tried the Nerano, whose name comes from the Italian village of Nerano, and this one is made with Italian provolone cheese and is topped with fried zucchini.
Digging into rich and creamy flavors of pasta, and the wood-fried pizza is prepared with absolute perfection. It's crisp and soft at the same time. Definitely a hearty end to the meal.
The next place on our list is Gustoso in Car West.
When we speak of elite Italian dining, Gustoso is one place that has a variety of refined authentic dishes, starting with the tagliolini Bombay, which is homemade tagliolini pasta tossed in a grana padano cheese wheel mixed with a brandy flambe. Wow, it already sounds delicious. Let me see how it tastes. The pasta is oozing with the goodness of Parmesan cheese, and if you like a little bit of brandy in your dish, then this one's for you.
You must also try their specialities like the pescatora, which consists of Italian arborio rice with king prawns, calamari in white wine, and cherry tomato sauce. Also, don't miss out the prosciutto di Parma, which consists of Parma ham, mozzarella, and fresh leaves to go along with it. And of course, the classic margherita pizza with mozzarella and Parmesan cheese is just a wow. While I also tried the jasmine cocktail, which is infused with Italian Campari liquor.
To end it on a sweet note, a classic Italian tiramisu is exactly what I need after a delightful meal.
The next on our list is Mia Kachina at Hill Road in Bandra.
Mia Kachina is an Italian bistro with a warm ambience, and the menu here offers a wide range of staples of Italian delicacies. Well, the food looks delicious. Let's try it out.
We tried the tagliatelle pesto, which is homemade pasta, and this one was made in creamy basil pesto. The polo salsa balsamic, which is char-grilled chicken served with balsamic oil, polenta and green beans. And lastly, the supli di riso, which are yummy risotto and mozzarella balls.
But I'm not done here yet, because I've heard that their panna cotta is not to be missed.
The next on our list is Cellini at Grand Hyatt in Santa Cruz. Cellini is an award-winning restaurant serving dishes with authentic taste and quality, starting with the chicken and goat cheese ravioli, where the handcrafted ravioli is prepared with minced chicken, sage sauce, and is finished with crumbled finished goat cheese. We also tried the smoked salmon charcoal risotto, which consists of Italian arborio rice with activated charcoal topped with smoked salmon. You can also woo yourself with the traditional Napoli pizza with fresh tomato sauce and buffalo mozzarella cheese. The fifth place on our list is Miso at JW Marriott in Juhu. This Italian restaurant is known for its stellar Italian food, starting with the burrata, which is home-style creamy buffalo cheese, in heirloom tomatoes and basil pesto. Our next was the tortellini pasta, and this one is stuffed with prawns, tomatoes and porcini emulsion. The next favorite was the filito di salmon, which is poached fillet of salmon in saffron sauce, capers, green asparagus and baby tomatoes.
Well, I hope your mouth is watering after all those cheesy and buttery dishes, and if you liked watching this video, then remember to hit like, share, follow and subscribe to Curly Tales. This is Bianca Saurashri. See you around.